And that's why I never eat bubblegum on Thursdays. Wow, that's interesting. Guys! What is it, Maddie? We got a subscriber! Yay! Wait, who is it? Raining Roses CP. Thanks! Thanks, Raining Roses CP, and to all other people who have viewed my videos.